Alright, so this again is Victoria Falls town popular restaurant called Three Monkeys. Personally, I don't know. They didn't have a lot of options for me to enjoy. But that's because, as I said, I'm a carnivore at heart. And I didn't get my barbecue, my braai like when I was in South Africa. My platter, my meat platter. That's what I do. I love meat. I eat a lot of meat, high protein diet, low carb diet. That's how I stay lean. And there's just a lot of sandwiches and wraps and pizza. So I inevitably end up getting a pizza. I don't think I eat pizza often when I travel. Honestly, it's like rare, 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 rare. My rule of thumb is I don't eat anything that I can get in the US for the most part. And so I had pizza. But this is a small town of Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is known for all the safaris, and of course, you come here to see Victoria Falls itself, which is the highlight. On the agenda for me is Victoria Falls, although it has been raining a lot. But once I see Victoria Falls, I think I go to the famous dinner called the Boma dinner. I have that booked for tomorrow night. And I think the other thing would be the sunset cruise. My sunset cruise was booked today, but the plane was late, so I missed it. I'm hoping I can fit it in tomorrow. We'll see. Of course, there's safaris and bungee jumping and whitewater rafting and horseback and things of that nature. But the number one thing for me here is to see Victoria Falls, the waterfall itself. The town is also called Victoria Falls. I think this is Main Street. Again, this is extremely small, tiny town. There's not much going on here. There's no life here. Waiting out for Victoria Falls and all the activities with the national park, wild animals. There would literally be nothing happening here. So, it's a quiet town. I'm told I shouldn't be found out of the hostel at night. So I'm already heading back. And that's it for me. Maybe just chill out in hostel, common area. Call it a night. Alright. Not much here. Shearwater. Popular resort. Has tons of activities. Pizza Inn, Chicken Inn. That's Main Street, and that's all you got. Yeah. So if you're looking for elite, luxurious kind of outdoor activities, Victoria Falls is the place to be. Again, they have some of the best safaris. They actually have the lion walk, elephant interaction, rhino walk, crocodile, vulture feeding, a lot. There's no shortage. And can be varying in price significantly. So can their accommodation as well. Anywhere from a $40 hostel private bed like I have to maybe $5,000 a night. So you have the whole gamut there for sure. But look up things to do in Victoria Falls, and if you have a family, it's more family friendly. Definitely something to put on the agenda. However, it will make a big dent in your budget. There's nothing that is cheap about Victoria Falls. Alright, so this town is set in the middle of National Park, and the danger that most residents worry about is wild animals, actually, not criminals or bad actors. But there's lots of warning signs around town that whenever night falls, it's possible the animals can wander out of the national park. So you'll see elephants and occasionally even big cats, rhinos, buffaloes. So people are always warned at night not to be in the deserted areas, and even sometimes they make their way downtown. So it's getting dark. I'm heading back. I'm done. I'll see you then.